4.3. The content under the heading of the fiscal policy is definition of the government budget. First, what do you mean by the budget? Budget is the financial statement showing the forecasted government revenue and the expenditure in the coming fiscal year. Budget is simple mean, Hamza, Sharid, that how much government will spend in coming year and where they will get money from. Okay, so it lays out the amount of the government expect to receive as revenue in the taxes and the other incomes, and how and where it will use this revenue to finance its various spending endeavors. Okay, simple is mean that, look, Sharis, what we are going to do, look at what we are going to do. We are making a budget. Let's say the government will spend 1 billion, okay, on province of Punjab. Now the other questions would be that where they will get money. They will receive money from tax collections and from other sources. Okay, so the budget is all about source of money and the spending of government. Okay, where government will spend. It may spend in the health sector, it may spend in the education sectors. Okay, so this is known as the budget. Okay, the other one, government spending, where government can spend on all kinds of the public goods. If you remember, we discussed so many things that government will spend on the public goods, the goods which is used by common public, like hospitals, educations, and all this stuff. Not just out of the political and the social responsibility, but also out of economic responsibility. Government spending is a part of the aggregate demand in the economy and influence its well-being. Now, the next point is that what is the reason of the government spending? The number one, to supply goods and services that the private sector would fail to do. Sometimes private sector fails to bring some kind of a product which is mostly needed by the general public. So government then take a responsibility and provide it to the public. That is the first, you can say, the reason of the general public. For example, you won't see any private road. Every road is built by or constructed by the government. Okay, because the private sector can't do that. This is something which is which has done by the government, or you can say comes into the government budget. For example, public goods including defense and street lights, merit goods such as hospital and the schools and the welfare payments and the benefits. Normally government spends on these sectors. Okay.